Good morning, class. Welcome to day 4 of your emotional color unit. This video is going to discuss your task list for today and the assignments that need to be completed. So, just to review your learning goal, we are creating a design that evokes a tone or an emotion through the use of color. You should have already chosen your emotion first, then your subject, what you're going to draw, then the action, what the subject was going to be doing, and then lastly the color choice while looking at color psychology to choose colors that represent certain emotions. And then the essential question is, how does an artist's application of color, how does that affect the emotional response of the viewer? So you want to be looking at the application, how you apply it. It's one thing to choose a color, but how you actually apply it to the picture, how does that affect the response, the emotional response? So we've already talked about harmony and rhythm. So when talking about application, you should be focusing on those two vocabulary words. When you add color in a rhythmic way where everything is constantly contrasting and changing, it's very fast paced. It can help show the physical emotion that someone might be feeling when, in some kind of sense of anxiety or anger or fear, something like that. Where something that's more blended and harmonious might be a more calming, soothing, maybe just a mellow and sad kind of feel to the painting. So not just the color choice, the colors that you chose, but also how you apply it. All of those things tied together can help affect the emotional response of the viewer. So our vocabulary word today is focal point. This is a common technique used in art to help draw the viewer's attention somewhere, to help convey your specific meaning, or in your case, your specific emotion. So let's get right to our task list. Our task list today is short. Today's going to be an easy day. First, you're just going to watch the focal point video. That's going to help with your entrance ticket questions for today. Once you've watched that video, just hop right over to your entrance ticket. Complete the 2 questions. What is a focal point? And how can an artist use a focal point to express a specific mood or meaning? Again, please watch the video following this overview so that you know the answers, or you know how to answer those entrance ticket questions. Lastly, just continue working on your final project for today and then submit a photo of your progress to the Day 4 student progress assignment. Your benchmark goal for today is to begin applying color through the use of your pastels. It's okay if you are not there yet, but this goal is just a goal for you to try to reach so that you are on pace to finishing on time for the last day of the unit. So please make sure you create that goal to try to get about 1/3 of your project in full color so that you can finish on time. All right, please message me if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing your progress on your assignments today. All right, see you guys in just a bit.